We also have the man of the match as well, and Jimmy is present the man of the match, and it goes to Pól Ó Dubháin. And without further ado, tournament Conn Shaw, Conn Hall, off on the board down Chaptaen, Maitiú Ó Flatharta.
Austin down or my current shot locker and those for Dingle. Firstly, I'd just like to thank our management of Paul McFitzmaurice, Maurice Connor, Bronnadh, Shane Finn. Lads, they've been with us since the start of the year, and the amount of work that they've put in is just it's amazing. Like back in November when Paul got the job, like we all had to meet and we sat down. He set out our aims for the year, like, and our aim was to win a county title. We haven't won a county title, I'd say, since the 1970s. So it's just great to come back here, and I just congratulate the management for being with us the whole year. Thanks, lads. I just like to